After your material is done drying, take it out of the clamps. Put the clamps back in the clamp rack. Clamp a scrap board down to the table with wood screw clamps. Set the glue scraper down on the material where the glue seam is. Turn it at an angle, press firmly, but pull straight down the seam. You need only to remove the high spots of the glue. Put the wood screw clamps back into storage. Set up the surfacer to your material thickness. Open the blast gate. Turn on the rollers and cutters. Check to see which side is most flat on your material. Send your material through, heel of the hand. Once the rollers grab the material, let go. Send both pieces through at the current setting. Turn the hand wheel half turn clockwise. Send your material through again. Continue this process until both sides are flat and your material is 3/4 of an inch. You will need to get your board to 3/4 of an inch. Once you get close, the handle right before bottom center is 3/4. Send both pieces through at this setting. Turn the machine off, close the blast gate. Your material is now 3/4. Inspect your project to see which knots, ends, and edges will get cut off. The width of the small piece is 12 3/4. I'll be cutting off these knots. This edge should be against the fence. Since my material is 14 1/4, I'll be able to set the fence for 14 1/8 and just trim off just a little bit. This will still give me enough for my finish size of 12 3/4 for the small board and 13 3/4 for the larger board. I'll set the finish size for my larger board first. The finish size for the larger board is 13 3/4. The smaller board is 12 3/4 finish width. After both pieces are ripped to their finished size, it's time for cross-cutting. Slide the miter gauge into the left slot. For this process, you'll be shaving about 1/8 of an inch off your material. Square one end on each piece of material. Jump the miter gauge to the right side. Using the fence, set the finished length to 12 3/4. Move the fence out of the way before the operation. Set the fence for your longer piece 19.5 inches long. Same as the smaller piece, move the fence out of the way before the actual operation.